Hey, what's going on guys? Miller Brady here and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you 8 websites that can make you $100 per day for free, which means there's no investment required, and it's for 2019, so stay tuned. And also, if you're new to my channel, on this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online. And also I'm going to be talking about motivation, mindset, and marketing, because these are the 3 things that you need to do or to have in order to be successful online. So if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below this video and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. So let's go on to the video. So these are the websites that you can make money online, and they're totally free and you can sign up on each one of them. So first, we're gonna start out. I think the best way for you to make money online is to start out as an affiliate marketer. And what I love about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create product, and you don't need actually to purchase product in order to make money. You can just promote products that you can sell, or you can sell online, so in order to make commissions, right? So that's what I love about that. And it just requires a little bit of patience for you to actually make money on this platform, right? So the first website is Jvzoo. I think it's somewhere like a joint venture zoo. So there's a lot of product creators out there that put their products here, and you can promote them. So it's free to actually, it's totally free to join. And here you can promote thousands of products that um, that are different niches. Like you can promote health products, beauty products, relationship products, ebooks, software, courses, right? You can promote also those sort of stuff. So Jvzoo is one website that you can join as an affiliate marketer, right? It's an affiliate uh, company that you can join. And another one is Clickbank. Clickbank is the same as Jvzoo, but there are other creators that are just are exclusive to Clickbank. So Clickbank is another company that you can promote as an affiliate. So there's a lot of products out here, tons of products for you to promote. So they have tons of they already categorize everything from business, investing, food, fiction, games, everything. So this is another website that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. Another one is Max Bounty. So what I like about Max Bounty is that it's totally free to join, and they actually promote the thing called CPA, so cost per acquisition. So basically, you're generating leads for other company, and they will pay you $1 to as much as 14 or more per lead, right? So they don't have, I don't what I like about this is that they don't need to buy anything, just have to generate leads for them, and it's totally free to sign up. And I'm going to be making a video on how you can work on this one, because it takes a little bit of knowledge or know-how on how you can work on the CPA, on how you can work, how you can promote Max Bounty, right? But I really like this one because they don't have to buy anything. You just need to generate a lead for the company, and then they will pay you out for that, right? Another one is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is the same as Jvzoo and Clickbank, right? So it's a affiliate marketplace. So there are a lot of creators out there, and I introduce you to all 3 of them because there are product creators out there that have a good reputation and are exclusive to this type of platform. So that's why I just don't show you just one. I want to show you all 3, right? So you can sign up here. It's totally free, and you can promote products from different niches. All right, so the 5th one is website that you can join is the Amazon Associate. So Amazon Associate is it's like an affiliate program, right, where you promote products from Amazon, and when people buy product through affiliate link, you will actually make commission, and you can earn as much as 10% commission from, or 3 to 10% commission from all the products that they buy. And the best part is that when they buy one product from you, and on the same day they buy a different product, but they buy a product from you, you will still make commission from them, right? So that's what I like about Amazon Associate. And the best way for you to promote a product in Amazon Associate is you make a product review. So that's what tech YouTubers do on their YouTube channel. They review a product, and then they say, if you are interested to check it out, there's a link down in the description. And when it's actually an affiliate Amazon link, so it's a Amazon link to affiliate program. So that's how you can make money as an Amazon associate is to do exactly that, to make a product review and just promote the affiliate link on the video. So that's how you can do it. The other one is this website called Fiverr, which means it's actually not a business, but if you have any skill set, like you can create graphics, you can edit videos, right? Or there's a lot of stuffs out here. So free Fiverr, because there's a lot of, it's like a freelancing work. So if you're a freelancer, if you have free time, you can apply here and post your service on what you are doing. And there's a lot of people out there posting on who they're looking for. So you can also pick up, you can apply for them, and then they will, check you out if you are qualified, right? So it's a freelancing work. So Fiverr is a good place to start to make $100 a day from home. Another one is Upwork. Upwork is the same as Fiverr. Um, so you join here and post things that you are capable of doing. So this is a way for you to make money online, right? So this is a really good freelancing website. So Fiverr and Upwork, right? So it's actually more international now. There's a lot of people all over the world that are actually signing up on this. So you can make money on this, right? If you have skills that you want to make money off, right? And the other one is rev.com. So rev.com is it's a transcription website. So basically, they take an audio and then you transcribe that audio so to make a subtitle or an actual transcription of the video. So they will pay you per 10 minutes of the video. So you can make money on this if you're doing it part-time, like if you have a free 1 hour, 2 hours a day, if you just have nothing to do, right? So if you just sit in there and then just transcribe, listen to a video and just transcribe that into words. So you can make money on this. So rev.com, actually I'm using rev.com because I'm using most of my, what I do is that I make a video, right? And then I post this on Rev, and someone put a caption or transcribing to words, and then I repurpose that to a blog post, right? So that's really awesome. So that's why Rev is a very helpful for us entrepreneurs, especially if we want to start out on blogging, right? So they pay you here. I think here they show actually $1 per minute for transcription. So if you can do 10 minutes, so that's already $10. So that's really awesome, right? So this again, the website that you can start $100 per day making money from home. All right, guys, so I hope you get value from this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions or you need help, just reach out to me, right? There's a lot of ways for you to connect with me in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or everywhere, right? You can connect with me there. All right, guys, so Miller Betty here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.